Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab, and here we have our LBZ LMM Duramax 3.5 inch high flow intercooler pipe. So this intercooler pipe kit is for 2006 to 2010 LBZ and LMM model Duramaxes. It's a pretty simple, straightforward install, basic hand tools, less than 1 hour job. So we'll start with the connection down at the intercooler. We have our CNC machined flange with a double O-ring seal. Install your O-rings, grease everything up, and this pipe slides onto the intercooler outlet down on the passenger side. We supply new wire clip rings, so you don't have to worry about reusing your factory ones, or in case your factory ones are broken or rusted. That 3.5 inch mandrel bent pipe leads to our 3.5 inch silicone hump boot, which is the center connection between the upper and lower pipe. The upper pipe, which is very similar to the lower, just a little bit shorter in length, is what installs to the factory upper crossover cast aluminum section, or if you have our 3-inch high flow Y-bridge kit, it would connect right to that 3-inch high flow intercooler pipe. Just like the lower pipe, it uses the same style CNC machined slip ring style flange. 2 O-rings, slips right onto your factory connection on both the LBZ or LMM model, and held in place with the wire retaining clip. This system here replaces the OEM plastic components, which are getting 10, 15 years old now, are common for failure. They're getting brittle and starting to break apart. So this is a great upgrade over the factory part. Higher quality, longer lasting silicone boot and stainless T-bolt clamps. So what type of flow increase are we talking about? On the flow bench, our OEM plastic intercooler pipe assembly flows 512 CFM at 28 inches water column. The WCFab 3.5 inch high flow intercooler pipe assembly flows a massive 755 CFM, 47% increase over factory. Our high flow intercooler pipe, coupled with our high flow 3-inch Y-bridge kit, is a massive increase in airflow on the cold side system of your LBZ and LMM Duramax. Our intercooler pipe kit is a direct OEM replacement that is bolt-on, emissions compliant, no tuning required. Just like all other WCFab product, powder coated here in-house with thousands of custom upgrade options available. That's a wrap on our 3.5 inch high flow intercooler pipe. Be sure to check out our other high flow intercooler pipe upgrades for the hot side and our 3-inch Y-bridge assembly as well. Thanks a lot for watching.